Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join objects in SketchUp. All right. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and draw a square and circle right here. For example, this one, circle, and another one, a rectangle. All right. Just to give you an example. Now, I'm going to make this one bigger and this one even taller. All right. Now what we're going to do to join the objects is just basically use this move tool right here. All right. And go ahead and make the circle inside of the box. All right. Now what we're going to do to join the objects is just basically use this select tool. Select the box. Spam click on it. All right. Until you see that it is all highlighted. Right click. Then go ahead and go to intersect faces. Go ahead and select it with model. All right. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.